Today I'm going to show you how to delete pauses in Riverside. So we've got a video over here and there will be a few pauses depending on what type of video you have. So what we want to actually do here in Riverside is go up to the right hand side, click on AI tools, and right at the top you will see the refine content heading. You'll see remove pauses. You can use this drop down menu here. You will see currently there are 6 pauses and it totals 5.5 seconds. You can see this is a natural pace, so you can set it here. So this will be pauses 3 seconds and more. This over here will be a balanced pace, 1.5 seconds or more, and then this will be 1 second or more, and this will be 0.5 seconds. So you can change the intensity of your pauses, and then once you're done, you can also just review it, see what it sounds like. You'll also see the little cuts in on this timeline. You'll be able to see where your actual pauses are, and then if you want to change it, you can just revert back to original.